Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Jeff Satur, Calling Over. Nice song, and he's wearing a nice suit as well. If you watch the music video, you know what I'm talking about. Maybe I should try one of those suits. Maybe not. Anyway, leave that. Let's go into this song, and we have a capo set on the 4th position. Absolute best scenario for us. 4 chords rolling, and we're gonna go over them now. We're gonna start with the G, okay? So G goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next is E minor, and that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We move down 1 string to the A minor, and that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, open E, and finally we have the C. Very easy transition. You just go up with your ring finger to this 3rd A. And that's where it starts. 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so there you have the chord progression. It goes like that. G, E minor, A minor, C. Very easy. Now into the strumming. So I showed you that in the introduction tutorial. I played down, down, clap, down. That's 1 string around. So if you grab the G chord, like that, okay? And you're gonna play 4 of those per chord. So G4, E minor 4, A minor 4, C4, like this. And you start a new round. Alright, so that is one version. You can also, if you don't want to hit the clap there and work with that, you can just play 4 downs. In that way, you're gonna try to emphasize that 3rd down that replaces the clap in the way that you're playing on the higher strings when you play that 3rd down. So on the bass strings, for all the other downs, 1, 2, and 4, but on the 3rd, you can play on the higher like this. For 1 round. So the same way there, 4 rounds per chord. And so on. Alright guys, I would prefer the clap version. That's just me. It's up to you guys. You have 2 versions, 4 chords, and that's it. So hope that helped. Jeff Satur's Call It Over. I would like you to thumb up this tutorial. I work a lot for you guys, so if you can give me something back, I would appreciate that. So thank you for that. Until next time, play tuned.